Okay, maayong hapon kaninyong tanan, no? Good afternoon, everyone. So, this lecture about the digestive system will only be introductory because we will be continuing our discussion on the week 3 of midterms, no? Para at least doon sa discussion natin, medyo mas mabilis na lang din, no? So, I'm going to discuss this afternoon the basic first part of the digestive system. No, we will try to discuss the basic anatomy. No, we will try to discuss the functions of each organ, and we will try to discuss in a simplest form the mechanism of the digestion. Okay, so our objectives for this afternoon is the following. Are the following. So remember, when we are going to talk about the digestive system, we are not only talking about the esophagus, the stomach, and the intestine. No, it all goes far taas pa. Okay? That includes your oral cavity, including your teeth and your tongue. Okay? That is very important. So, bakit importante yung teeth? No? Because that is responsible for the mechanical digestion of your food that you ate. Okay? Ano pa? Your oral cavity actually contains a lot of salivary glands. Okay? Because you need to, other than the mechanical digestion, initial chemical digestion happens in the salivary glands. No? This usually helps in breaking down carbohydrates. That is why if you are eating, let's say, pandesal, no rice, nasa-start na siya tunaw. No? Because our saliva contains amylase, which is important in breaking down carbohydrates. Okay? So, kung magkaon ka, no, that's why, di ba, tong sa respiratory system on how you breathe, no? Sa digestive system naman, every time nga magkaon ka, remember mo ang digestive system. Ano gid man bala ang importance sang digestive system? Okay? So, ang importance sa digestive system is for you to realize that when you eat, no, when you eat, especially pag nga pala nimong pagbutang sa pagkaon sa imong baba, you are already digesting. Okay, kaya ang unsa man, ang ginahuna-huna man gud nato when we talk about digestion sa tiyan na, no. We are starting to digest once naana na sa atong baba. Okay? So we eat, we chew, no? Mao man ang ginabuhat nato, we chew, di ba? Nung kumakaon ka, no? And eventually after di mo gitunaw, kagat-kagat, no? You eventually swallow it. When you swallow it, no, same sa daanan ng hangin, pupunta yan siya sa tinatawag nating pharynx. Saan pupunta? Pharynx. Okay? Ito yung pharynx, no? Yan. So yung pharynx na yan, remember, is the same the same pathway kung saan dadaan ng hangin. Yun nga lang, yung pharynx na yan, bababa yung pagkain dito sa esophagus. Hindi siya dadaan sa trachea. Bakit? Ano yung dadaan sa trachea? Hangin. Okay? Tapos, remember that once your pharynx goes into the esophagus, straight na yun na. Dili na pwede mo balik. No? Wala kay voluntary control. Nga pabalik ko na, hala, natulo na kong liso, pabalik na ko. No, dili na pwede. No? Eventually, that will just go straight to your stomach. Okay? Yung esophagus mo, that is a muscle. Okay? That is composed of muscles and smooth muscles that contracts na tinatawag nating ano yung tawag? No? Ang iyang movement niya, no, ang movement niya na is pababa, ang tawag dira is peristalsis. Okay? So, yes, naga-slide siya. Yes, nagagamit sa gravity, but also, no, for example, mutulon ka sang dagko, no, eventually ma-feel mo na nga nang daw nagaagi sa hinahinay sa imo nga esophagus, no? Pero dili mo siya ingana gid ma-control, dili man gyud mo ma-control, no? But there is an involuntary movement, no? There is an involuntary movement from your esophagus na nasa taas papuntang baba. Okay? You have here the stomach, which is responsible for the chemical breakdown. Okay, mo nang ginatawag na to nga very important na di ang ginatawag na to nga acid. Nganuman, ang acid diha mo na siya magtunaw sa imuhang different nga mga gipangkaon. Okay, nganuman dok, madili ba di na matunaw? Matunaw, no? Matunaw na siya gamit ang different enzymes. Now, I want you to study na naka-table na siya sa inyong libro ang different enzymes nga naa sa sulod sa imuhang tiyan. Kaya para mo gawa sa exam, ma-memorize na nimo siya. Okay? After sa stomach, no, after matunaw chemical breakdown, it will now go to the small intestine. Remember, your small intestine is divided into 4 parts. No? What are the 4 parts? First, you have the part 1, part 2, part 8. Apat niya na parts eh. Okay? And eventually, no, divided yung small intestine mo, yung duodenum mo may 4 parts, yung small intestine mo, 3 yan. 3 type. You have the duodenum na may 4 parts, the ileum, and the jejunum. Ano yung pinakamalapit sa large intestine? That is the ileum. Okay? Yung pinakamalapit sa intestine, sa large intestine is the ileum. Okay? So, yung large intestine, no, yan yung next sa ileum mo. Tapos, ang point na lang yun ng large intestine mo is to finalize ang water absorption. Sa small intestine, Dok, ano ang gina-absorb sa small intestine? Tanan. Okay? Dok, ano gina-absorb sa large intestine? Tubig lang. Okay? Tubig lang, kag kung magdugay ang tae dira sa imong large intestine, amo na nga may muna sa tubol. Okay? Sige. So, initial lang na siya nga background about your digestive system over anatomy. No? You have different accessory organs like the liver, that's an accessory organ, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. Okay? So, the function of the system as a whole is processing food in such a way that nutrients can be absorbed and residues eliminated. Ibig sabihin, yung kailangan mo sa kinain mo or yung mga kailangan mo ng nutrients, ipapasok yan ng katawan mo through absorption. Pero yung hindi kailangan ng katawan mo, ilalabas yan siya. Okay? As your tae. Okay? So, individual parts, ingestion, propulsion, digestion, chemical digestion, secretion. Anong sinisecrete? Enzymes. Para sa ano? Digestion. Absorption ng ano? All of the nutrients needed by the body. Tapos, compaction. Saan nangyayaring compaction? Large intestine. Saan nilalabas or ini-excrete or ginagamit na way para tumae? It's the rectum and anus. Okay? So, your small intestine has different membranes. Okay? Just like your pleura doon sa respiratory system, no? Meron din tayong membrane na makikita sa digestive system. And this membrane is still the same sa pangalan dito kaina. Kung nagapilit siya mismo sa imong organ, mo na siya ginatawag nga visceral. Pero kung wala siya nagapilit sa imong organ, it's the parietal. Okay? Ano ang tawag diri? It's peritoneum. Okay? Peritoneum or peritoneum. Okay? Ano dito sa may lungs kaina? It's the pleura. Okay? Yung mesentery naman, these are double sheets of peritoneum surrounding and suspending portions of the digestive organs. So, nagabitay-bitay ang imo nga intestine, hindi tungod kay naka-arrange na siya dira, but nakabitay na siya because may ginabitayan siya. Kag ang ginabitayan niya, that is the mesenteries. Okay? So, meron tayong dalawang type ng mesentery. It's the greater omentum and the lesser omentum. Yung lesser omentum, saan mo makikita? Between the stomach and the liver. Yung greater omentum mo, saan mo makikita? Doon sa stomach lang. Okay? Dito siya sa halin sa taas sa stomach. Ang mesocolon, no, it is responsible for providing support and it usually suspends and wraps the colon, no? And may dalawang parts yan, the transverse mesocolon na nasa taas, no, and the sigmoid mesocolon na nasa baba. Okay? So, the general organization, if you are going to see this um, picture, no, always think of absorption. Okay? Absorption and secretion. Ano yung ina-absorb? Ano yung sinisecrete? Ina-absorb mo ang nutrients, nagsisecrete ka ng enzymes. Okay? So, anong usually ma-observe natin in the different parts in our digestive system? Remember, specifically in the small intestine, since this is responsible for absorption, kailangan mo ng maraming support system. No? Bakit? Ano ba yung support system yun? Yun yung mga plicae and villi. No? These are responsible for what? Absorption. Okay? So, we have the crypts at the bottom of the villi, and we have the glands, the mucous enzymes. Okay? So, smooth muscle, no? One nucleus lang tayo. It is usually non-striated because it is not voluntary also. And remember that it has only slow, sustained contraction as compared to your skeletal and cardiac muscle. Okay? What are the histological organization of the digestive system? First, may mucosa siya, submucosa, muscularis externa, and serosa or the visceral peritoneum. Okay? So, itong 4 layers of gut, mga nice to knows na lang to because this one is usually discussion na on histology. Okay? Yan, repetitio est master studiorum. No, ibig sabihin, you repeat, you master it. Okay, charot lang. Na hindi yun yung, I don't know kung ba yun. No, because kinuha ko lang naman dito sa internet. No, at i-discuss natin kasi hindi ko ma-download yung galing talaga sa Mariam. Okay, but never mind. No? Introduction lang naman to. Para doon sa face-to-face natin na discussion, kaunti na lang yung i-discuss ko. Okay? So, anong usually na ma-observe natin dito? No, ang atin lang gustong malaman dito is what are the muscles or the muscles for mastication. No, I want you to remember, no, what are the muscles for mastication? Ano yung mga muscles na ginagamit para kumain? Okay, I want you to remember that. And also, no, you need to memorize, no, what are the functions of the different muscles in your mouth. Okay? For example, ano yung function ng masseter mo? Anong function ng buccinator? Anong function ng orbicularis oris? Etc. etc. Okay? So, let's talk about the oral cavity. So, yung oral cavity, that is also known as the buccal or the buccal cavity. So, this is usually known as our aura. Okay? The oral cavity, no? The oral, no? Oral mucosa, bunganga. Okay? We have the lips, no? That is also known as labia, no? We have the labial frenulum. Yung hard and soft, ito yung hard and soft dito, yan. It forms the roof of the mouth. Okay? The tongue, that is a skeletal muscle because you can control it. You have the salivary glands which has 3 pairs, no? Meron ka parotid, no? You have yung dito, okay? And ano pa? Basta you have 3. Okay, you need to search for that 3, no? And you have the teeth, which is responsible for biting, etc. And the fauces, which is an opening to the pharynx. Okay? So again, the types and numbers of teeth, medyo hindi naman tayo dentista, importante alam nyo lang to, no? That deciduous teeth is replaced eventually, no? To make it become the 32 complete teeth of the individual. Okay, you have 16 pairs. So ito yung structure ng teeth, no? You have etc. Enamel, mababasa nyo naman yan. Okay? So you have 3 pairs. We have the sublingual, we have the submandibular, and the parotid gland. Okay? These are important because this one is responsible for lubrication, no? Muna ginagamit ninyo pang lubricate, and moistening, no? For your tasting, no? Laway man magkaon nga mala ang imong ginakaon, di ba mas nami ginang basa. no? So you need to, no, eventually kasi maiisip mo, no? Maiisip mo na masarap. So eventually naglalaway ka, no? So anong usually lumalabas? Ilan usually na salivary? Usually 1 to 1.5 liters per day. Okay? So yung mumps na sinasabi nila, that is not a problem with your mouth. It's a problem with your parotid gland. Okay? It is an infection, a viral infection na nag-i-infect most of the time sa parotid gland. Kaya siya tinatawag na parotitis. Okay? Yung esophagus naman, on the other hand, now this one is just a passageway from your pharynx papuntang stomach. Okay? So, this is lined with stratified squamous epithelium, no? Makikita nyo naman yan, alam nyo naman yan siya sa may, na-discuss naman natin yan sa histology, no? And we have, very important, no? A sphincter. Ibig sabihin ng sphincter, no, meron siyang automatic close na door. Yun nga lang, in individuals nga sungak-sungak, no, daghan kay kabalo sila nga gabiin na, daghan kay pugkaon, eventually, tungod sa kadako sa, dadamo sa imong kaon, dili na mag-close ang sphincter nga ginatawag nato. Asa man ang sphincter? Okay, for example, morning esophagus, no? Morning stomach. Diri na sphincter. Ipaiptan niya dira para dili backflow. So karon kung busog ka, eventually mag-expand ni siya diri, magnganga po ng imong sphincter. So imong gikaon, ang acid diri nga gigamit sa imong lawas para pagtunan sa pagkaon, eventually mag-backflow. Amo nang ginatawag nila nga heartburn. Okay? So yung stomach, no? You have different parts. Now you need to memorize this one kasi lumalabas na sa exam. Okay, pag sinabi mong stomach, you have the fundus, you have the, fundus, you have the body, you have the cardia. This one is the cardia, a connection between your esophagus and stomach, and the pylorus. Okay, which is the connection of your stomach to the duodenum. Okay? So normally, merong rugae talaga yan ang stomach. Okay? Parang ano man na ay rugae, just like the vagina, because it can or it has the capacity to expand. Okay? So yun lang muna tayo, no? Introduction muna tayo sa gastrointestinal system. The rest of the discussions will be given next week. Okay? Sige. Good. So again, what is that you need to ask, you need to comment down kasi yung mga comments ninyo, I will have it checked by your president, no? I will have it checked by your president so that I have a list kung sino yung nagko-comply. Okay? For your midterms, kailangan nakasubscribe kayo, no? Kailangan lahat ng videos na like ninyo, tapos dapat naka-comment din kayo sa lahat ng videos. Okay? So yung answer na naman na sasagutin nyo dito for this evening is, for this afternoon is, ano ang favorite na pagkain ko at bakit? Okay? So, ano yung favorite na pagkain? What is your favorite food and why? Okay? Dapat mahaba. Okay? Dapat mahaba yung sagot. No? Let's make our community grow, no, in YouTube. Okay? Para at least, di ba, learning na, no? Tapos, enjoy pa ta. Okay? So, once again, no, I'm going to check that one next week when I come back from my travel. Okay? So, dapat naka-ready na yung mga screenshots ninyo, naka-compile na siya sa inyong Microsoft Word, kaya para pag request na kung i-check na siya, i-print na ninyo kay para na may additional points or perfect inyong project. Okay? Sige. Kaya important na, pangdungag na lang yun na, guys, no? Dili man na sakit sa buot, no? Nga mag-comment ka dira kay para mabasa po na ninyo, di po makakita sa inyong uyab. Mabasa ninyong comments eventually, no? Pangpadungag og ano. I'm doing it may be sound like let's say childish, etc. No? Pampadagdag na lang ng points. Kung gusto mo dumami yung points, tataas yung grado mo, just comply. No, hindi naman yan ikakasama kung mag-type ka dyan. Okay? Sige, yun lang muna. No? You prepare for next week because it will be the last week before the midterm exams. Okay? Sige, goodbye everybody.